Welcome to Guided. This is a space for healing, for your body to shift from stress to safety, from inflammation to restoration. You've come here likely because part of your body is in pain. Maybe there is an obvious cause to this pain, like an injury, or maybe there isn't, like an inflamed joint, or a sore back, or whatever you may be experiencing. And for whatever reason, pain is pain. But I want you to get into the mindset just for a moment that there is nothing right now that you can do more than you already have to fix this pain. Let's begin with a simple breathwork meditation, just to settle you into a sense of stillness. Meditation has been shown to not only decrease inflammation on a physical level, but also to be able to deal with inflammation from a mental point of view, from a psychological point of view, to better cope with the pain, to allow your body to understand that this pain is not forever. It will go, and at some point you will heal. Just find a comfortable spot to lay down and to feel a comfortable support beneath you. Let your spine rest and let your jaw loosen, and just let your breath, for now, just find its own pace. Become a little bit more aware of your breath, but don't force anything, don't force any change right now. Just begin to breathe in gently, and then let that breath go when it wants to go. Each breath you take, I want you to have in mind. Tell yourself, this pain that I am experiencing, I don't know when it'll go, but it will go. And let that message signal to your nervous system to switch gears from a fight or flight to a rest and repair response. And in this is where inflammation starts to soften. And we are going to be working on those thoughts for the rest of this meditation. Now we're first going to start by really bringing awareness to your body and to specifically notice the areas that right now do feel inflamed, tight, or sore. Maybe it's a specific joint, in your hands, your knees, your shoulders. Maybe it's your lower back, or maybe it's something deeper inside, your gut, or your head, or your chest. Whatever that place is for you right now, imagine it glowing red. Not angry, but just active. Inflammation is the immune system turned on. The increased blood flow, heat, are all part of a molecular response with the ultimate goal of healing. It's the body trying to protect itself. In this process, it often doesn't feel comfortable. But when has true deep healing ever felt comfortable? But tonight, with this meditation, we're just going to allow some of this inflammation to just calm down, to allow your body to deeply rest. Now, above your head, try to imagine a clean, cool light forming. This light is a healing light. And as you keep gently breathing, I want you to imagine that each inhale brings that light a little bit closer to you. As you keep breathing that light closer to your body, I want you to imagine the light now entering the body. With each breath in, you bring that cool light into your body, through your mouth, and into the deep parts of your body that feel sore and inflamed today. Those active areas of your body that were red, you notice, begin to slowly shift, and mentally and powerfully, I want you to imagine that red active color begin to change to a green color. And as you keep breathing in that healing light, the green starts to turn to the most pure white that you've ever seen. And with it, the heat begins to fade and the swellings begin to calm, and you're just letting your immune system finish their work for today and begin to leave. I want you to really imagine this for the next minute or so, that as you breathe in, that white transformative light begins to heal your aching body. And I will join you in just a moment to carry on the meditation. You may begin to feel a tingling sensation. It might even feel a little cooling, or simply you might feel just a sense of relief as we continue to do this. The reason breathwork is so powerful in this regard is because it innately activates your parasympathetic nervous system. This is part of your nervous system that deals with rest and slowing down. And breath has been shown, when breathing deeply and consciously, to increase the parasympathetic activity. That is to say, to allow your body to deeply rest, to slow the immune activity, and to cool the metaphorical fire, the pain, the soreness, the tightness that you're feeling in your body today. And with each breath, more light enters, moving through your joints, your muscles, your gut lining, your skin, healing. Red becomes green, green becomes soft white, and you will find a return to balance. Now we've focused so much of our efforts on inhaling the light, and now we are going to add imagery to the exhale. So as you breathe out, I really want you to imagine that you are releasing what the body no longer needs. The excess heat, tension, and overactivity. So as you breathe in, imagine the white light coming in, and as you breathe out, just let go of all of those things that you know your body doesn't need, and enjoy this time that you have set for yourself now to encapsulate what you want to become, what you want to inhale in, and what you want to exhale out. And in a few minutes of gentle breathing, I will come back finally to close the meditation session and to relax the body very deeply in preparation for deep rest tonight. You've created space for healing tonight. You've turned down the signals, and your body, even if it doesn't feel like it right now, is responding to this moment. Let this green-white light stay with you Let it settle into the tissues that need time. Time to cool, time to rebuild, and time to rest. There is nothing else you need to do. No effort, no control. Only trust that this meditation is deeply healing your body. This has been guided